thanks very much for chatting to us about next year's MACH show. So what was the one of the driving forces behind the themes for this year's show?
So I guess with us being so close to the industry, being the industry body, we have been looking at a number of issues that are affecting our members. So supply chain has obviously come up quite a lot, but certainly with COP26 we've seen a real acceleration in decarbonisation, sustainability, the green factory. We released our report on decarbonisation back in 2020, and I think you'll see that theme run right the way through MACH 22. You know, the challenges and the opportunities really rely on our members and our exhibitors' technology to start addressing those and moving forward.
And what do you see the MTA's role in helping to promote that side of things for the industry and the way it goes in that regard?
I think for us it's very much about, you know, the seminar programme, what content can we put there. You know, there's a huge amount of work already gone on with our members in terms of reducing electricity usage, where their end products actually finish, which, as I say, are providing answers to these problems. And for us it's about promoting that so that people realise the good work that's already started, as well as some of those opportunities that exist out there.
You say that's going to be a part of the MACH show. Obviously this is the first MACH that's happening since lockdown and stuff. What are your feelings about how it'll go? It'll probably be one of the first big engineering shows in the UK, won't it?
Yeah, I mean, for us, a barometer for me would be how are exhibitors booking. And at the moment we've had a real surge. You know, EMO was a really good boost for the industry, and again a gathering out in Italy last October, or this October, and this is a real opportunity, I think, for everyone to come together the first time, really, post-COVID, post-Brexit, and when people are really looking at evaluating supply chains and UK manufacturing in general. So we should be poised to be perfectly timed in April.
And you think this is a good time for companies to be looking to invest in new technology and new machinery for their business?
Massively. I think, you know, productivity and competitiveness, there are three key pillars to that. One is the latest technology, which we'll have on show. Two is the finance to buy that technology, which, to be fair, I don't think has been readily available as much as it is for a number of years now. And then the third pillar of that is skills. So obviously we still bring a lot of young people to the show, but certainly affordability of equipment and machinery has never been so readily available.
And would you say, obviously, it's going to be nice to have that sort of face-to-face element? Do you still think that is very important for people when they're doing business?
It's huge. I mean, our event relies on live working technology, so people can actually come along and see it. But so much we've missed the interactions. You know, today we've had our press launch. It's been really nice to see people again, even our own members and our committee. And it's such a different way of doing business that I think people have forgotten over the last 18 months to 2 years as such. So yeah, I think it's just going to be a really good event, and hopefully has a good buzz about it.